Are you looking for a genuine taco pump repair part near you? Pump Products is here to assist you. We provide a comprehensive selection of pump repair parts at the most competitive market rates. Our fully stocked inventory includes replacement and repair parts for all series and models of taco pumps, starting from the 003 series, X-Pump Block series, Viridian series, Plum and Plug series, to Smart Plus series. Our top-grade replacement parts are perfectly designed for all kinds of taco pumps, including circulator pumps, instant hot water circulators, radiant heat pumps, 3-speed cartridge circulators, inline circulating pumps, close-coupled end suction pumps, variable speed circulator pumps, vertical inline pumps, horizontal split case pumps, vertical split case pumps, heat circulating pumps, water circulation pumps, solar pumps, hot water recirculating pumps. The Taco Pumps replacement and repair kits comprise pump flanges, circulator pump parts, pump repair kits, rebuild kits, cartridges, motors, PC boards, demand system parts, IFC replacement kits, capacitors, bracket assemblies, zone valves, union sets, stack kits, pump sleeves, pump seals, pump rotating assemblies, and more. Pump Products is a leading Taco Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to taco pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today at 1-800-429-0800.